Hello, the topic today is the Service Order Information tab. So if we go into a particular order here for Fred Flintstone, and it's dropped us into the Jobs view, which we're normally the place where we're working and adding and removing parts and updating pricing. But we have this tab called Order Info or Order Information. And under this tab, this is really the main tab where the original contact that you created this order from, their information came in, and you can also change who that customer is if you wish. But we also have the VIN information or the plate. Maybe we did a plate lookup from the contact's add service order, and that information would be there. We have an odometer in and out capability to be able to manage that. We have the original description of the problem. We can change which service center this order is being run from. We can also change the order type. If it's customer service, for instance, maybe we're charging obviously a for-profit service center, or if we had an internal job that we were doing something on one of our own pieces of inventory, it might be only a reconditioning job, but we could change that order type there. And of course, reconditioning generally will not charge taxes, but customer service will. We also have, when we are completing the service order, we do that from here. We're able to set the schedule date as well as the completion date. We also, when we complete the order, if we have the workflow, the service workflow capability, where we can, for instance, maybe send a request for a review to a customer, we actually could also initiate workflow when we complete it from this Order Information tab. And then we can also update the status of this, going from either in progress to either complete, or we could also complete it and post additional expenses to the vehicle itself. So this is a very useful tab, basically a utility tab called Order Info that is used to set the basic settings of the service order as well as complete it and initiate additional action following that service order. Thank you so much.